My name is Albert. I'm here at Wyndham Capital as a loan officer. I started about 10 months ago. Now that Dale has come by, it's been really great seeing at this stage where I'm at. And I'm able to really apply everything that I'm learning versus if I had learned this from day one. I think Mortgage Champions has been awesome so far. We had 2 days of training, took it from the very beginning and to the end, and there was tons of substance, real world applications, real world, not just ideas, but real world things that we can use in our day-to-day operations to enhance our sales and also care more about the people that we're working with so that we can properly set things up to meet all of their goals. Dale Vermillion, he's an awesome speaker. You can definitely tell what he does is from the heart. It's not one of those things where he's going in and just trying to charge as much as he can or whatever it is. The fact is he has purpose, and you can tell he really loves what he does and that he truly is trying to make a difference, not just in his actions, but through us. We in turn change the lives of people every single day, and so he in turn is really making a ripple in America and making sure that people are financially moving towards debt freedom and also living a life that's fulfilled and rich. The biggest difference for me and the biggest thing that I can step away from this and take from this and start applying today is how we go through the questions and how we ask the right questions to determine exactly what their financial goals are. Everyone has financial goals. It's a matter of uncovering that, and a lot of people aren't quick to tell us exactly what we need. That's our job to find out what it is. But what Dale has given us is the tools that we need in order to find out exactly what it is and be able to uncover exactly what their goals are so we can achieve all of those and more. Every time that Dale's name comes up, everyone lights up and they love what he does. They're big proponents of it, and a lot of what my managers teach me is the teachings that Dale implemented years ago when he started here. But I can definitely tell you that just from these past 2 days, my direct peers, they're super enthusiastic about everything that we've learned, and this is going to be something where we're going to stay on each other and have accountability partners to make sure that we're implementing this day after day. Just knowing that if you could implement all these strategies and double your sales goals, not only are you making more money, but you're making a difference in so many more people's lives. If you're considering Mortgage Champions, I can't recommend it enough. It's given me all the tools that I need to implement the strategies that I've always been there. I've always had the intentions, but now I know how to do it and how to be effective so that I can change as many people's lives as I possibly can.